Awesome people, welcome back in new video. In this video I'll show you how to enable Ajax filter in classified listing website who's built with Classima theme, and we'll do it in two simple steps. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, and the very first step we have to create Ajax filter with Ajax filter builder. So hover over on classified listings and click on Ajax filter builder. It's added recently, so click on it. Then we have to create a filter, so click on add filter and give the filter name. I want to give Ajax default filter. Ajax default filter, and you can give another name whose you need and save changes. Then click on this plus icon. You can see all items are showing here which you want to filter. So very first I want to give listing a type, so click on it. Then add type. If you click on this down arrow, you can see it shows radio and drop down. I want to give checkbox and add item. Then again click on plus icon. Then I want to give categories, and yes, I want to give this checkbox and hide empty. Yes, I want to hide empty category and add item. Then again click on it. Then I want to give like location, add item. Then I want to give the custom field. Okay, if you need, then you can just click on plus sign and you can add the item from here. I want to keep these 4 items. Okay, now our filter is ready to use. Okay, now let's check how does it work from the front end. I have a request. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel to give more videos on WordPress. Okay, visit the website and go to the all ads page. This is the listing archive page, and you can see in left side it shows the classic or old filter. Okay, now we want to remove it and want to use the Ajax filter here. Okay, so again go to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance, click on widgets. Then the sidebar archive listing, just click on it. It shows the old or classic filter and we want to remove it. Just scroll down and delete it. Refresh the page. Yes, you can see the default or old filter is removed from here. Now we want to show the Ajax filter here. Then again go to the dashboard and just search here the Ajax filter. This is the classified listing Ajax filter. Just drag and drop here. Okay, then you can see title. You can change title from here and select a filter from. Just click on it. Then it shows our filter which we created a few moments ago. If you create more filter, then it will shows here as well. Okay, so we have only one filter. Then select it and save it. Then click on done. Then again go to the front end and refresh the listing archive page or all ads page. Yes, the Ajax filter shows here. Now you can filtering from here. Just very fast, if click on this bird, yes, it's worked perfectly. Then again just uncheck it, and if you check just cat, yes, it works. Dog, yes, it works. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress. Especially I made video for Classima theme or Classima listing plugin. So please subscribe my channel to go get more videos on it.